Did you know that ginger can be a powerful plant ally for digestion? Today we're going to make a ginger tincture that's so easy that's going to help you with your digestion. My name is Melissa, and here on this channel I provide you with practical, affordable, holistic healthcare solutions. It's no secret that here on this channel you love my constipation videos. Well, it's your secret. I mean, you can look it up in the secrecy of your own home, like how to relieve constipation, and I won't tell anybody. You can do that in the quiet of your own home. And this is another video that will help you, move things along, and nobody has to know about it except for me. I mean, I can see with the numbers that you guys love these videos and they really help you relieve constipation. So it's a secret for you, but the numbers speak for themselves. You guys love these videos for constipation. And after seeing how many of you loved my lemon balm tincture, it's really cool to see how many of you like to find affordable home remedies, things that are really super easy to make at home. So today I'm really excited to make this ginger root tincture. It's really amazing for easing bloating and gas and nausea, and it will support your overall digestion. Okay, now we're gonna make this tincture. I'm just gonna check the ends to make sure there's no mold on the ends. I got all this ginger for about $7 at the grocery store. It's super accessible. All you're gonna have to do is just chop it up so that we can access the ginger, and you're gonna put it in a sterilized jar. So I just boiled that jar in water. So we're just chopping and filling that jar with chopped ginger. Okay, now you are going to take some vodka. You want 100 proof vodka, or vodka that has 50% alcohol in it. If you live in Canada, you may have trouble getting that because our government loves to take care of us. You're gonna get that, and then it's really easy. You're going to just pour it over top. You're gonna cover up your ginger. And you can see we really filled that jar because here in Canada, the vodka is way more expensive than the ginger. And then we're gonna cover it up, which is probably a good thing, right? And then we're gonna just give that a shake, and the vodka covered the ginger. And then we're gonna label it because we wanna let this sit in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks so the medicine can get extracted. So I'm gonna label it with today's date so I know, and you know what, I'm even gonna put it on my Google Calendar to come back in 4 to 6 weeks to check this. So today is November the 2nd. You'll be getting this video much later than that because I pre-film these. And I'm gonna put that it's a ginger tincture, even though it's obvious, but having the date on it will let me know when to come back and to start to pour it off into the other containers. So I'll just put that on there. And then I'm gonna put it in a cool, dark place in a cupboard. But before I do that, let's just talk about some of the benefits of this ginger tincture. So as we probably all know, ginger is fantastic for digestion. So it'll help you relieve bloating, gas. It's good for nausea, great for digestion. But the ginger is also great for immunity. So ginger also has great anti-inflammatory effects. So if you have things like arthritis, it can be good for that. It's also good for pain relief. So if you experience menstrual cramps, you could use it for that as well. So ginger is also great for blood circulation. It's great for antioxidant support. It will also, as some studies suggest, support blood sugar regulation. It's great for heart health, and it's great for respiratory health. So ginger is super accessible. It's really easy to get, and making this tincture is so easy. So if you give this tincture a try, let me know, like this video, subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments by saying, I'm gonna make this ginger tincture. And let me know also if you'd like to see when we pour it off and decoct it as well.